Matters, several families in Ombei and Ahero areas in Kisumu County have been rendered homeless after River Nyando burst its banks earlier today. Ombei MC Otura Vitalis urged the affected residents to relocate to evacuation centers and asked the county and a national government to intervene. The Kenya Red Cross Society is expected to send teams there tomorrow.
Now it's but don't raise you boys.
We are having a permanent problem here, and it is a common disaster. It's ever bloody like this. We have no food, we have nowhere to eat, we have no flag, we are suffering. And it has been an annual thing like this, but we want a permanent way forward.
As a disaster center, we have evacuation centers that we have got in one in Achuodo, Obiayo, and Nyangoto. Obiayo is, I think, the biggest evacuation center we have right now.
I now appeal to the county government, the ministries concerned, to come in and help in any way possible. I also appeal to the members of the community that during such times we need not to get our kids off our hands, and we be cautious, we take care of them, and to ourselves also.
We want to take a